Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got another radio from Jeff's collection of radios. This is kind of unique, and I'm going to show it to you right now. I want to thank Mike for making this little sign for me. And we'll bring that radio up to the front here. And this is a Tecsun R-304P. Now, the P is important, and I'm going to tell you why in a few minutes. It's AM, FM, and shortwave, has two shortwave bands, and it's a DSP based, which means muting while tuning. I hate that. Jeff explicitly put in his notes it's not made for the US, and the reason it's not is because this AC adapter plug is for 220 volts, not 110. So you don't want to plug 110 in here. So I'm going to use the two D-size batteries that it needs. And I didn't quite get that. Getting that cover on was a little difficult. Anyway, we can see the bands there. FM, medium wave, short wave from 2.3 to 10, and from 10 to 22 megahertz. Pretty well covers the band. There's the earbud jack right there. Telescopic antenna is about 2 feet long. Over here, tuning knob, volume on off. Pretty good sized speaker. Nice, easy to read dial with a 0 to 10 scale, and then the FM band, medium wave, short wave 1, short wave 2. This is the band select up here. It's kind of hard to see, but there is actually a little red indicator to show you which band you're on. So we'll go back to FM band. It does have two knobs here, but I think it's really one. Let me see something here. Yeah. So it, it gives you the indication that it has fine tuning knob, which it doesn't. It doesn't. So that's kind of a fake. Anyway, these, you can get one of these brand new from like Banggood, AliExpress, for $29.95. We're going to turn it on. Hope I got the volume down some. We're on the FM band.
Well, it's a thing we're still talking about in the future.
Yeah.
But that future is actually going to happen later
Very
this
clear,
year.
and I'm going to shut up and let you listen. Okay, we don't want music. No music. Oh boy, you got plenty of volume.
How do you
Picking
spell
up a lot of
it?
stations. I don't even have the telescopic antenna extended. Here's a tuning indicator that you're locked onto a band.
So once you get ISSA,
wow. It's got plenty of volume and it's very clear. Okay, now they're not playing music. I'll let you listen.
For free. You do everything at your own pace and 100% online. Live your life on your terms. Get certified and train like you want. Full-time, at a gym, at home, or as a side hustle. Whatever works for you. Don't wait another day to start your career in fitness. Get certified and start making money fast. Guaranteed. Just text CHAMP to
So it's very clear. Picks up a lot of stations. I can see it. Don't even have the telescopic antenna extended. It's picking up all these FM bands in my office, which is loaded with electronics, putting out RF noise all over the bands. So let's go on.
Easier and way less complicated to get the medication.
With no fees or minimums and no overdraft fees,
They're
banking with
locked
Capital
in.
One is the easiest decision in the history of decisions. Even easier than...
Very smooth tuning. Gotta get off that music.
Gemma Dix, this is not from a joke site.
Locked in.
What is this? This is real. This is a real.
These country music details. When you yesterday at number 5, you seen the pink.
So it is super sensitive on FM. It doesn't even need the antenna extended. Okay, let's go to medium wave. And if you got this at the right angle, you can see that little indicator of what dial you're on. So this is going to be a little struggle because I'm in my office. We're at the top of the band. Let's go all the way to the top. We're all the way up to the top. And then we'll start tuning. Turn the volume back up. Yeah, not doing too good in my office, which is expected.
We allow ourselves to be transformed and to cast away all that is not good, all that is against love, all that is
pretty clear there.
Love, all that is against
summer solstice, and they have a baseball team up there.
John Reynolds, él es fundador y director ejecutivo de XP Fútbol, el cual nos dará información.
Now, there are a lot of medium wave stations in my area, but being in my office, that's bad. You can hear the DSP kicking in and out. Okay, 970 is a strong station. So I can hit it. No. No, not getting 970. Now, of course, it's directional. Yeah, see? Look at that.
850-559-3443.
You tune it in.
850-559-3443. You can also check us out on the web, AmazonAutomation.com. AmazonAutomation.com.
So,
or call us 850-559-3443.
I just had it pointing in the wrong direction.
3445.
Yeah, it's doing a lot better now.
Academy program. And all 6 years later, he's not only been released from that correctional facility,
not getting many lights indicating that it's finally locked in.
The great work of
Did Mr. Dodo tell the tactical team members to breach the door when ready? Almost an hour later.
They had their first shield at 11.
And they had rifles from the get. But
so, if you're a trained...
I love these reporters nowadays that talk over each other. Okay, it's picking up plenty of stations. It's just I didn't have it pointed in the right direction. The stations are, most of them, in that direction. Okay, let's just, for the heck of it, it's almost 9 a.m. in the morning. Bad time for shortwave. But I'm going to extend the antenna and give it a try. We'll go to shortwave 1. And we'll go down to the end of the band, which is 2.3. And noise. Okay, let's get off that. Yeah, you can hear that muting while tuning. It's kind of convinced myself if a radio has DSP, I don't want it. Now, there are a few that don't have this bad muting when tuning. So you would have to tune really slow to give it a chance to lock in. See if we can get WWV. Not likely. Should be right around there. Nah. Okay, let's see if we can get up around 6 megahertz to get a local Spanish speaking. No. Here we go. Yeah. I think that's Radio Habana. So I would think it would do pretty good if you're listening during the right time of the day and you're outside, or you add a clip-on antenna. It'd probably do pretty good, considering it's only a $30 radio. Just really painful to tune it, that muting. Let me see if we can go up to 10, just for the heck of it. No. Nada. And of course, the antenna is going to be a little directional. So I think that's about it. Not a bad little radio for $30. Again, they have the one that's built for the US. I think it's a 304D. And it has on the back of it for AC, it has a single hole for a AC to DC adapter. I think it's maybe 9 volts, maybe 6 volts. I saw it on the Bang Good website. I didn't pay that much attention. I don't think it comes with the AC adapter. I'm not positive about that. Should have done a little more homework. I know, but I wanted to show it to you. I think it's a pretty good little radio. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. It tells me that I'm doing shows that are of interest to you. And oh, I kicked the red camera. Show's over. All I have to do is kick the camera once, and then I've gotten everything I want to do done. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.